almost a couple years ago, I had to get my master bathroom redone because when we moved in, we found black mold. The kitchen was supposed to be the first project to get done, but we ended up having to do the bathroom, and I went to Facebook and asked for recommendations in my neighborhood group as well as a local Pinellas group, and saw Phil's name come up. I had 4 contractors come and give me bids. Phil's was about middle of the road, but I really liked his energy, his attention to detail, his ability to see what my view was, and all of the things that I wanted in my bathroom, and it came out beautifully. So I definitely knew that when I was going to do my kitchen, he was my guy. I had a lot of things that I wanted in my kitchen, and he accomplished way above my expectations. He was always on time, same with all of the people that he had with him. Anytime I needed him, it was a simple phone call. He always answers his phone. I don't know anyone that always answers their phone, except for Phill. He's absolutely wonderful, and all the people, I've worked with so many of them that were here for the several months that we were getting the kitchen done, and they were part of our family while they were here, and Phill and his family are now part of ours.